Hey there. Welcome back to this channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. Have you ever wanted to clone your voice and create realistic voiceovers without spending a dime? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Vidnoz.ai to clone your voice for free. So guys, you want to head over to vidnoz.com, and I'll be putting the link to this platform in the description of this video. So, let's dive right in. Vidnoz Voice Changer is a 100% free celebrity AI voice generator no sign-up that you can maximize to create your desired voice within minutes. You can clone or generate the voices of celebrities including Taylor Swift AI voice, Donald Trump AI voice, Obama AI voice, and more. Notably, it won't require you to sign up to generate ultra-realistic voices alongside. It's absolutely free to use. First things first, you'll need to go to vidnoz.ai website. Once you're on the website, check out the free tools here, and here you can see AI Voice Changer. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to free AI Voice Changer page. Now you have two options. You can clone celebrity AI voice, or you can record yourself here. You speaking, or you can upload the audio file of yourself. So that's easy, and then you can just proceed below, right? But I'm going to focus on the celebrity. Using Vidnoz AI Voice Changer is super easy with these three simple steps that include: first, select your favorite celebrity from the library.
It's a privilege to be here at this forum where parents put you using their bodies to try to protect their children. My conversations with you, American people, living rooms in schools, farms, on factory floors, diners, distant military outfits.
We have prevented some of these kids from joining military, criminal groups or gangs.
Second, input the text that you want for the voiceover of your favorite celebrity. Third, click on Change Voice Now to get your voiceover ready. You can also record your own voice here or upload an audio file.
Don't like thinking big. If you're going to be thinking anything, you might as well think big.
Don't like thinking big. If you're going to be thinking anything, you might as well think big.
Let's try the audio file too. Simply upload your audio. Please stay tuned and follow the steps.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Vidnoz and clone your voice for free.
AI celebrity voice generators are changing the game in many fields, offering exciting new possibilities. In entertainment, they add a touch of magic to movies, TV shows, podcasts, and radio dramas by using the voices of famous celebrities. For marketers, these voices make ads more memorable and trustworthy. In education, they help make learning fun and engaging, especially for tough subjects. Accessibility tools use these voices to provide a more pleasant experience for visually impaired users. Virtual assistants become more relatable with familiar voices, making everyday tasks more enjoyable. In gaming, celebrity voices bring characters to life and make the experience more immersive. Personal projects, like birthday greetings or special messages, get a unique twist with a favorite celebrity's voice. Content creators on YouTube and social media can draw in more viewers by using these voices in their videos. However, it's important to use these voices responsibly, making sure to get the proper permissions. As AI celebrity voice generators continue to develop, their uses are only limited by our imagination. Thank you for watching our tutorial on AI celebrity voice generators. We hope you've discovered the many exciting ways this technology can be used to enhance your projects, whether in entertainment, marketing, education, accessibility, gaming, or personal creations. Remember, while this tool opens up a world of creative possibilities, it's important to use it responsibly and ethically, ensuring you have the right permissions when using a celebrity's voice. The future of AI voice technology is bright and full of potential, limited only by our imagination. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Until next time.